Okay, our next step is after you get your waypoints from your DNR Garmin into the computer. You want to put them into an Excel spreadsheet. From the Excel spreadsheet, we can go ahead and put them in an ArcMap. Then your points will be laid out. As you can see, you have your different waypoints. You have Washington, Jefferson, and Homer with the latitude and longitude lines with imagery. And that will show you when we get to the ArcMap, you'll see the image of them. Okay, our next step in bringing the waypoints into the map is after you have your DNN Garmin plugged into your computer, you got your coordinates and transfer them to an Excel spreadsheet. Next step is we want to put the waypoints on a map. Now, as you can see, we have a general map of the Charlottesville area, and we want to put what we got in the field onto our map. So the first step I want to show you is if you would go up here to Add Data, Add Base Map, you see different types of imageries. You have imagery with labels, streets, so on. For this purpose, we want to choose just regular imagery. Now, next thing we need to do is get our points to the map. Now, as you can see, we have Add Data. If you look over to the left, you see our table of contents and our layers. You see our monument field points that we took at a previous day. You want to right-click on Display XY field. Now this is important. You make sure that your X field is longitude and your Y field is latitude. After you get that, another key step is we want to change the description. So with our current coordinating systems, we want to find our geographic coordinate systems. Double click on that. You scroll down to World. Once you've under World, you want WGS 1984. Okay, after you get that, you click OK. And you click OK, and it gives you the display. You got your longitude, your Y's latitude, and you see your geographic coordinate system. So you click OK. Okay, now, as you can see over here are our waypoints. We can zoom in to see the waypoints even closer. So now they're on the map. After you click on properties and make sure that you are in hyperlinks URL imagery, you can click on your waypoint and you can find the images of your waypoints that will be attached to the map. As you can see, this is Homer. Going back to my attribute, my Excel, Washington. But you can do this by clicking on your waypoints on your ArcGIS. Washington again. And our last waypoint we took is Jefferson. So with your GN and Garmin, putting it into a spreadsheet, putting on ArcGIS map, you can plot points and add imagery through these computer skills.